So we've seen a lot this year around data, so whether that's monitoring data, observing kind of patterns or messaging, as well as the ability to do sort of KYC analysis at speed, at scale. So they're ever growing. So we've seen firms setting aside large amounts of money for messaging challenges, particularly during COVID. Obviously, people moving from home. We're seeing increased scrutiny from regulators around managing reg change and ensuring compliance with regulations. So we are seeing a wide variety of asks from our clients. It can be anything from looking to move services to an outsourcing arrangement so they can free up resources internally to focus on key initiatives. We're doing system change and moving to the cloud. And then, of course, given it's a regulatory event, we're seeing firms asking for support on regulatory change or regulatory remediation where things haven't been done right and they need to catch up. So there's a wide scope of technologies available. We've seen various different topics discussed today. What we're seeing though is firms ask for direction on using the right technology for their problems rather than just technology for technology's sake. Key for a lot of our clients is getting onto the cloud, and that allows them to analyze data at high speed, something that First Derivative can help them with. Well, what we've seen with the pandemic was an overnight shift to a change in the way of working. That encouraged people to use more collaboration-based tools, and then from there, people have been able to do more rapid-based deployment. Topics like DevOps, which existed well before COVID, have really come into their own. Faster deployment and ultimately better results. I think the ability to work and share data will evolve over the next 10 years, and ultimately that will be a driver for using the right tools for different problems, sharing either the data with technology or the technology being able to be pulled in and run over the top of your data. So events like this are excellent. So it's a great opportunity to meet people in a similar field, collaborate and discuss. One of the challenges in the reg space is the number of viewpoints on what's right, and working closer with regulators, with peers and with our clients will enable the best solutions for everyone and ultimately help firms be compliant with the regulation, which is the goal.